Hi, in front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can remove password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of and enter your current login method. Lastly, tap on Delete button right next to the Edit one and confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!